So what we're doing today?
We're gonna be replacing the AC compressor.
All right. Okay. What's your underhole, huh?
On the wet stuff?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my god.
There you go.
This is a good spot.
Look at it. So
Hey, boom!
is it left? This way, right? Yeah.
Uh,
Damn, this is tight as hell.
Count. Yeah, that way.
This is tight as hell.
There you go.
Ah, dust.
See, try twist it with your hand.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is dusty.
There you go.
This is dusty, bro.
Me one.
All right.
Okay.
Push it up.
Push up.
Push it up, Jim. Make sure don't break it too, though.
Yeah. It's not coming off.
Okay. Go ahead.
So stupid.
You got it.
Damn.
Try to do it by hand now. See, could you try to use both hands? Yeah, I'm a mop.
Oh,
There you go.
what the fuck?
You alright?
Yeah, that shows a whole jump scare, bro.
Don't try it, right?
Yeah.
Just that air. Did you feel it?
Hell yeah. Felt that shit.
Thought you died.
Yeah.
Right there.
I really thought that shit was game, bro. But my thumb hurt. It's at such an awkward angle, my thumb actually started hurting.
You got it.
Ah, there we go. We're getting it, we're getting it.
Oh.
You get it?
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
Shit, you're gonna break that shit.
Here.
No, I don't want to. I'll remove it completely. I'm gonna put it aside. Okay. So remove it because it's kind of weird.
Yep. Left?
No, wrong way.
That way? This way.
Yeah.
Goddamn. Oh.
Okay, then do the other two. I'll do one up top.
Oh shit. Okay, what next? The same way?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
So what if the decision comes out?
Me.
Got it? Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Do the other side.
Damn, I got mass strength.
Good.
Yeah, man, you got it. What the hell?
Yeah, I gotta take that out.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Goddamn.
There you go.
Ah.
There you go.
Damn, I got mass strength. Can't
Yeah.
lie. It's a long ass nail.
Get the top
This
first.
one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. this fucking pipe. Get away. Yeah. Go up there or something.
What's the bumper? We were working the whole
Oh, it's
car.
loose. Can you try it now?
This thing?
Yep. Other way. There we go. Alright.
Wanna take it?
Final screw. It's this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Alright, gotta hold this shit too so it don't fucking fall on my head. Oh, it's coming out. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
What the hell? Still hung on to something.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Oh shit, hold on. Hold on. I got this.
You got it? Okay.
I got it.
Look the same.
Yup, same shit. Same motherfucking shit. Oh my god. Look at that. Comparison right there. Oh shit.
Let me know when you need me to hold it up. Like that? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, so I'll hold it now. Okay.
Give me a screw.
Oh shit.
I got it. Fuck no. It's not going in, chat. It's not going in. Hold on. Just let it go for a second.
Oh, okay. Oh, my wrist.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, your hang.
What is that?
Hold
Ah,
on,
my
need
wrist.
rest. Move that pipe. Yep. I think they. Okay, move real quick.
Is that it?
I think so. Okay, pass me that wrench. What the fuck is it? So much of the same motion. It's hurting my elbow. Okay, gotta make it nice and hand tight. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good.
Okay. There's that.
One, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, you guys can get rid of the red caps, right?
Yeah, I can get rid of the red cap.
Okay, not yet then, right?
Oh, I found it.
On 2?
Yeah, I found both of them. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, right here and there. Okay. I found it. I'll just keep my finger on them so I can feeling. Oh, here it is. Found it. Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
go on, yeah. Don't break it.
Where's the... Oh. Okay. Next. Okay, hold on to this first. That's on me. There we go. I gotta push it down. There we go. Smash it right in. Put this shit right back. Oh, I think I got it. Hey.
So again, the ratchet and the socket. What connect?
Oh shit, my hand is stuck. Oh fuck. Ah, there we go. Oh, my hand got stuck.
What's wrong with me? Putting it back together.
Yeah.
So you got the one down already?
Yep, got one down already.
We're doing the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? Alright.
See.
This one, I get to. Oh.
Is it this one only?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just one.
Right, guys, we're official mechanics now. Let's go work on a real engine. Should be good right here, right? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna wait 30 more minutes to see if there's any leaks. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and there's been no leaks, it looks like, so we're gonna charge it with the AC. Oh, it's a little hot. Okay.